In this video, we're going to be looking at how to save the date. You may be thinking, oh, that's really easy. Why do we need a video? Well, actually, it seems that it's one of the more difficult things for people to say correctly. In the first part, we'll talk about how to say the days of each month. We'll then move on to talk about how to say the year. And finally, we'll look at how to write the date in numbers. So please watch all the way to the end and learn how to say the dates correctly. First of all though, please do make sure you click subscribe at the end and make sure you ring the bell to make sure you get your notifications of all new videos. Here is a list of ordinal numbers for writing the dates. Now you will see that many of them end with TH, but there are some differences. Usually when the date ends with 1, 2 or 3, we say 1st, 2nd or 3rd, and likewise 21st, 22nd, 23rd. But there are some differences. 11, 12 and 13 are 11th, 12th and 13th with a TH on the end like many of the other ones. It's important to check the spelling. Take a look at these. 5th, 9th and 12th. 5th is spelled F-I-F-T-H, there is no V. 9th is N-I-N-T-H, there is no E. And 12th is T-W-E-L-F-T-H, no V. For the longer ones, make sure you put a hyphen between the two words. So 21st, 23rd, 29th and so on have a hyphen separating the two words. So, writing the date and saying the date, what's the difference? Well, the difference is that when you say the date, you have to say some extra words. For example, when it's written 3rd March, you should say the 3rd of March. If it's written March 3rd, you should say March the 3rd. When we say the year, we usually separate the last two numbers. So the first one is 621, then 1859, and finally 1984. When the third number is 0, we would say O, like the letter O in the alphabet, so 1806 and 1909. Some people would say 2001, 2002, 2003, 2019, but actually these days it's more natural to separate the numbers, so we would say 2007. When the year ends with 00, we would say it a bit differently, so for example 1800, 1900, or the year 2000. If you want to write the date in numbers, you could write 33 or 0303. But be careful because there might be some confusion because in different English-speaking countries, they write the date differently. When the day and the month are the same, there's no problem. But when they are different, you need to watch out. If you wrote 43 or 0403, did you mean the 4th of March or the 3rd of April? But to be sure, it's probably better just to write the dates like this. So there you are, how to write the date. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and of course, make sure you subscribe. See you next time.